Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian Linux 13.3 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Debian Linux official website and download. It is debian.org. Then scroll down, click on other downloads, then select download mirrors and see here the latest release is 13.3. Click on download mirrors, go up, see here we have the two types, CD USB or DVD USB. In this video I am going to download this DVD USB. So click on AMD 64 or i386. Scroll down. See here we have the Debian 13.3 DVD ISO image and its size is about 3.7 gigabytes. Click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 3.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Now click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Next, now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Click on browse, then go to downloads. See here I have the Debian Linux 13.3 DVD ISO. Select it. Click on open, click on next. Now select the type as Linux and version as Debian. See here we have the up to Debian 12.6. So we don't have the 13. So select the latest one from this list. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving deb 13 VM 13.3 VM. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK, click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See here, but this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. Then I want to give memory as 4 gigabytes, or you can use this pointer to up or down. Then remaining options I am okay with all options. Then click on close, click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or select here and click on VM and select settings. Okay, if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here like passwords and other information. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Select the language for the installation process. I am going to select English and click on continue. Select your location. See here the selected location will be used to set your time zone, and also for example to help select the system locally. Normally this should be the country where you live. Okay, if your country is not listed, then select other. Okay, I am selecting United States, then click on continue. Then select the keyboard model, keyboard map, American English, click on continue. Now provide the host name or computer name. Later also you can change it. I'm giving 13 VM. Then click on continue. If you have domain name, provide domain name. Otherwise keep it as blank and click on continue. Now set the password for root account. Remember this password. Later we need this password. Click on continue. Now we have to create a setup user. I am giving user full name as after schools. Then click on continue. This is the username. Click on continue. Then set the password for this new user. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. See here time zones are based on United States because I have selected country as United States. Okay, select the time zone from this list and click on continue. Partition disk, I am going to select guided use entire disk, or you can select manual, whatever you want you can select. Then click on continue. Select disk to partition and continue. All files in one partition and continue. This is confirmation. Select finish partitioning and write changes to disk. continue. This is confirmation. Select yes and click on continue. If you want to scan for extra installation media, select yes, otherwise no, and click on continue. I don't want to use network mirror, continue. If you want to participate in the package usage survey, select yes, otherwise click on no and continue. Now we have to select the software. See here, these are the softwares. By default it has selected Genome. If you want like KDE Plasma, you can select. We have XFCE, Genome Flashback, Cinnamon, Mate, etc. I want to install web server and SSH server. Click on continue. See, now it is installing Debian Linux 13.3. Now we have to select the default manager, GDM3 or SDDM. Okay, I'm going with GDM3. Click on continue. Install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. Select yes and click on continue. Select the device and click on continue. Installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into your new system rather than the restarting the installation. Okay, right click on this virtual machine, go to settings, then select CD DVD in device status and select these both check boxes, then click on OK, then click on continue to reboot. Now click on the username and provide the password that you have set for this user. Skip. Now open terminal. You can search here or it is there in alphabetical order. See here we have the terminal. Increase the font size, preferences, then unnamed, then select custom font. Okay, close this one. See, font size has been increased. Now verify the version more / etc os-release. See, we have installed 13.3. Okay, the first step after connecting to Debian Linux 13.3, we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. See, this user is not in sudo's file, so switch to root account. Sudo apt. Sudo is not required because we are running with root account. See, this is the expected error. Copy this error. Open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Paste that error. Hit enter. Click on this first link. See, I am on Debian official forums. Now we have to copy all these file lines except at the end we have the square brackets. Don't copy the square bracket, copy it. Go to terminal, Ctrl L to clear screen, cd etc apt ls. See here we have the sources.list, sudo vi sources list dot. See, first we have to comment out this one. Press I to insert mode, put the hash, then press escape, then press Shift A from your keyboard, then paste those file lines. Escape, $, exclamation, hit enter. Now run sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, this time we haven't received any error. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian Linux 13.3 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.